exactly the same. And keep in mind too, some folks live on their boats there in the Santa Cruz Harbor. So certainly tough to watch, especially with all the damage that's been done. Around here, wind and wet. That's what we're looking at as we start out your Friday morning. As predicted, you can see the raindrops hitting the camera lens here in downtown Sacramento, cloudy skies, and on occasion, the sky cam rocks around under the influence of that south wind. So expect a wet track out there for the morning commute. Temperatures are mild in the low 50s here in the valley to 42 in South Lake Tahoe as that number keeps going up there at the South Shore. So does the wind and the wind gusts. Winds are gusting close to 40 miles an hour out at South Lake Tahoe Airport, pushing over 40-mile-per-hour gust here in Yuba City and around Marysville, where a wind advisory has been issued through 10 o'clock this morning. That's when the winds are expected to gradually back off in areas like the northern Sacramento Valley. Winds gusting to 30 here in Sacramento, close to it there in Stockton, and winds are gusting to 20 in Placerville. This is a great visual to show you that the wind is going to be dialing downward and decreasing beyond about 9 o'clock this morning. Once we get into the heart of the afternoon, the winds, they'll be around, but they won't be as noticeable as, let's say, this morning or as gusty. The other thing that's going to be winding down throughout the day are these showers. Right now, the best of the rain is moving to the east and especially filling in along the foothills. Still have some good steady rainfall, though, from Stockton on in towards Riverbank, Waterford, Modesto area this morning. Sonora getting some good steady rain, along with Arnold seeing some heavier bands of showers right now. But notice a futurecast here at 8 o'clock for the morning. Most of those showers start to wind down and start to wrap up. While there might be a couple of areas of isolated showers here and there, a bulk of the rain really subsides as we get beyond about 9 o'clock this morning, along with those winds decreasing. Here's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, just cloudy gray skies. Again, another day where the sunshine is pretty much going to be very limited. There might be some breaks here and there, but I do expect another wave of moisture to move through the area tonight into early tomorrow, especially impacting the foothills and parts of the Sierra. And as we get into the weekend, there are more unsettled days ahead. So Saturday, few showers possible, a lot of dry parts to Saturday though as well. Snow primarily above 8,000 feet. Snow level is going to lower as we get through the day Sunday. Sunday an impact day for steady rounds of rain and gusty winds and periods of snow above 6,000 feet. Now, when you look at the weekend in perspective in terms of rainfall amounts, this is as we go through Saturday. Again, not expecting a lot of rainfall in the valley on Saturday, but in the foothills we could see some better amounts, maybe 1/4 of an inch plus. And then this is what we're looking at the end of the day Sunday. The best rainfall north of Yuba City up and through Redding and Lakeport, we could push towards an inch, but areas like Sacramento, Stockton, and around Sonora, looking at amounts there between about 1/4, maybe up to 1/2 an inch on Sunday. Beyond that, we do start to see a drying trend into early next week and then into the start of 2025. So expect that we will get through this active period through the weekend, and then it dries out for a little bit.
That's good news for New Year's Eve plans, New Year's Day plans. Yeah. Okay.
Dry roads.
Yeah. Thanks, Tamara.
Yeah.
All right. Not so much dry roads this morning.
No, we've got a lot of wet road out there, and we do have some slowdowns right now.